These are prime areas that trees like to try to grow in, on these ditches and banks and stuff. So we're in the process of getting an excavator in. We kind of grab these trees that before they get any bigger, we kind of pull them out, and then we use our skid steer loader and and grapple, and we grab them and stack them up. They'll dry out and we'll get them burnt here in a year or so. You know, it's just a constant thing we have to stay on top of, because they can become a problem in these type of areas. But we cut them out of here probably about 10 years ago, and you can see they've come back like this. We had them all out about 10 years ago, and we'll put on a product that's supposed to kind of kill the stump, but sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. The tree, you know, has big roots on it, so it saps the ground, saps the moisture away from the crops, so the crops won't do very good. And then if they get big enough, if you have a problem like we had last year, a derecho or a strong wind, you break off branches and stuff, then they get out in the field. Then we just have to go around that area until after we get the crop harvested, and then we come in and we have to clean it up too. And the bigger the trees are, the bigger the mess they make. And they'll plug up your tiles too. Those roots will go in and they'll plug up your tiles. You know, along borders of a field where you might have some trees, you know, the crop just doesn't do very well. And it could go out 4 to 6 rows that you'll hurt the yield. So, and a lot of times we can't do it because the weather turns cold on us, turns really nasty. We get a lot of snow, and we're not able to do that. So that's the reason, you know, these trees are probably bigger than what I even want them to be right now. You know, harvest runs late because of maybe not having good harvest weather. So it drags on, then we get a real cold spell, a lot of snow, and you're not able to come in and do it then. So with the weather we're having this early winter, we're able to do some of these things.